Everyone talks about using sound effects, but no one tells you where to find them. Let me tell you.
Go to Google and search for mixkit.com and you will find a variety of free resources including sound effects, templates, and background videos to find sound effects. Navigate to the sound effects section, use the search bar to find what you need. For example, search pop sound. Download the effect directly from the site. Stick around and subscribe for more tips like this. Thank you.